You're listening to EUAudio. Listen, learn, lead. Robots and cobots, bridging the gap, ending the debate between robots and cobots. Over the last decade, manufacturers debated the pros and cons of traditional robots and cobots, often struggling to decide which to adopt in their facilities. Here, we explore how the lines between the two will fade in the new decade, as each evolves and gains the benefit of the other. Industrial robots have long been used to replace or aid human workers in performing tasks that are dangerous, dirty, and repetitive. Over the last decade, manufacturers had a clear choice to make about whether to adopt a conventional robot or a cobot. Conventional robots were often large, bulky machines that were kept in cages to protect the human workforce. These were commonly used to perform heavy lifting in applications like packaging and palletizing. Cobots were designed to work safely alongside human workers in a shared workplace and offer increased levels of flexibility and dexterity compared to their traditional counterparts. Now, the lines between the two are beginning to blur as we see bigger, faster cobots and conventional industrial robots that can slow down or stop near humans. Previously, decisions about what type of robot to invest in were commonly made based on the entry price for each type of robot. Cobots were generally considered to be more affordable choices than their conventional counterparts, making them an attractive proposition to small and medium-sized businesses looking to add automation into their processes. Larger businesses, with higher levels of funds to invest, typically adopted large, conventional industrial robots to operate independently of the human workforce and automate entire production lines. The problem with operating in this way is that it offers little flexibility, with businesses often going all in on either one or the other, since the choice of robot could define the whole work environment. Now, decision-making is changing, with end users less concerned about the type of robot and giving more thought to the process being automated and how quickly the process must be completed. To run efficiently, assembly lines comprising of robots and human workers must run at the speed of human operators to avoid bottlenecking the production line. Operating in this way means businesses are more likely to have many different types of robot operating in their facility, with a variety of interactions between human and robot occurring if applications demand it. The ISO TS 15066 guidelines supplement the existing ISO 10218 requirements and ensure that any machines classed as collaborative meet specific safety requirements. These guidelines outline the maximum allowed power and speed limits for robots in a shared workplace. It also brings increased clarity on what is necessary when carrying out risk assessments in collaborative applications. Here, manufacturers should consider the safety concept of ALARA as low as reasonably achievable. Upgrading your facility with industrial robots to automate processes is an attractive proposition for many businesses, but it is one that requires selective investments and careful obsolescence management. EUAudio is brought to you by EU Automation.